He's okay. Put your hat on. Put your hat on so we get ready. Get your surfboard. Yeah, baby. Are you ready for the water? Let's see those shoes. Alright. You're waiting patiently. Tying it. Daddy's almost ready. Yeehaw! Can you count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's almost done. There goes Daddy. He's at the first cross. Oh! You fell down. Okay, you ready?
Let's go.
Gotta get that. You ready?